Today's October 20th, 2020. We're back on the charts with the dollar index. So, yesterday the dollar index did a bit of a fake out to the upside before price came back lower. Now, if you recall, during the start of yesterday's session, I said that once we clear this low, 93 is the new target. And so yesterday we cleared that low. Nice inverted hammer on the 4-hour, and then price dipped down to 93 flat, right? This equal low here. Now at this point, we could use this equal low as support, so it's another key level to watch out for before we move forward. If you look at the 1-hour time frame, you'll see last time around we created a triple top, 1, 2, 3, and then we shot out to the upside. So this morning we came down nicely. Again, we knew the long-term trend was down, right? So this push up, I wasn't really buying it. If you also look at the 4-hour time frame, we had a nice bullish hammer, right? And usually this is a good sign to go long, but we have to remember we're in a downtrend, right? Because this low we created, it did clear this one, right? And also after this bullish hammer, you saw what price did. Printed an indecision, a bullish hammer, and then price came back down. So we knew that once this bullish hammer appeared, there was indecision, and that was probably the warning sign, or the alarm bell should have went off that hey, we should probably stick to the original trend, which is down, right? Now at this point, the daily still bearish in my eyes. We just need to clear this 93.00 level, right? 1 hour would be fine, so any 1 hour clearance of this low should take us down to this next set of support at a 92.75. Okay, so if you look at the 1 hour time frame, we just need a 1 hour break below 93. Okay, we haven't gotten that yet, and once we do, price should head lower. So today, this morning, and going into the afternoon, we may have a pullback on the dollar index, but the trend is down, right? Since this high up here, we have had a downtrend, despite some days of mini rally to the upside. For example, here it's still in the realms of a downtrend in terms of price action. So overall, I'm looking for a weaker dollar long term, i.e., the rest of the week. But for the short term, you may see some dollar bulls come in. As long as we don't clear this high, which is at 93.30, I think the downtrend is still going to be fine. So even if we pull back all the way up to here, it's fine as long as we don't close above 93.30. Okay, so let's just see how that plays out. Have your eyes on dollar index. Now we spoke about how the volume in yesterday's market was different. There was almost a energetic vibe around the markets. We saw that with the dollar index melting, and because of that, we actually took a trade on Monday, which is yesterday. We generally don't trade Mondays, but because of the volume, it provided ideal conditions. And so that trade was for Euro Aussie. Yesterday was Monday Night Football, and I was too busy watching that, so I got in and out very quickly, but that was definitely a nice trade. So this will pretty much conclude the end of the free segment of the session. We now have a bias for the dollar index. Now we're going to go into the paid side of things, where we'll be looking to some specific setups.